Hey everyone, here's the video everyone's been waiting for, the tour of our new home on wheels. It is a 2022 Grand Design Imagine. Alright, so as we go into the camper, we enter to the left. So we have our counter, fireplace, stove, this is a kitchen, fridge, little like drying rack. And a big selling point on the camper was this desk area. So this actually came built in to the camper and it was a must for Matt to be able to do his work. So we finally have a table and chairs that we did not have in our last camper. If you missed that tour, you can go back in our videos and watch that tour of our previous camper that was much smaller. And we have a couch. This couch also folds out into a bed, which I can show you later. Even with the couch out, we still have like a lot of living area. This is our little wedding wall, which I love. Also Zoe's area. So we have Zoe's food and then a dehumidifier. If you have ever lived in campers, you know moisture is not your friend, so a dehumidifier is a must. A really neat feature right here is we have a TV. So the TV comes up out of the counter. We never really put the TV down into the counter unless we're traveling, but I'd say that's pretty neat. And change the different colors of the fireplace. It's pretty. Okay, as we walk out of the living room, so here's the door entrance and then we come into the bathroom. So we have a nice shower, toilet, sink. And we come out of the bathroom and we go into the bedroom. This is where Zoe sleeps most of the time. Our bed. We have closet, storage space all around there. And then we have more closet and drawers. Little TV there. It can like swivel out so we can watch it from bed. A really cool feature in the bed is these little lights that we have right above our bed. They turn on, little blue and bright. Another cool thing is the cubby holes to the side here that we can plug into the outlets in there. They have USB hookups and regular outlet hookups, so that's where we charge our phones. Here's the outside of our home on wheels. So it is the Grand Design Imagine. It has some lights that light up there. Gas tanks, batteries, storage. We have a big slide out here. Another slide out there. Over here we have the outdoor kitchen area. Cool thing about this is they have magnetic locks, so when you open up your storage from outside, it magnetizes to the back. Whoops. We have a little stove in here, which we really don't use. It'd be better if it was a grill, honestly. And then a tiny little fridge. It's our beer fridge. And that's the outside.